Okay, miss. I got most of the horses secure and the chicken.
Well, thank you, Amos, but it's the herd I'm worried about.
I know, they're scattered all over the valley and beyond. The weather is coming in real fast.
So what do you suggest, Amos? We leave the herd out there to be scattered by the storm and ourselves left here to die without a livelihood?
Can I help?
No, miss. If the men get caught out in that storm, they're gonna die.
And if we lose our herd, we'll all die, you stupid man.
Doesn't sound like we're left with much of a choice then. Come on, Amos. Round up your men. Let's get the herd.
Dang.
Let's get going before the weather gets any worse.
Yeah.
That sky don't look good. I'm starting to think somebody up there's conspiring against me. Are you a religious man?
Not in any real sense. Sometimes I tell myself things happen for a reason. Like what brought me here when fate come a-calling. But nobody made my path for me.
We all need to look for answers somewhere. Some in big old books, others in big old bottles of whiskey.
Believing in some kind of divine purpose ain't gonna give me my wife and kid back. Past is who we are, Miss McFarland. There ain't no changing that. Faith is a luxury I can't afford.
We have 2 herds out grazing in different pastures. We'll need to merge them and bring them all back.
I think we can handle that.
The cows get real ornery in bad weather. It's more work, but I'll show you how to deal with them. I'm gonna save my voice for the herd. It's gonna be hard shouting over this storm.
Come on.
Let's take them over to the other herd. We'll try to drive them all back to the ranch together.
Get a move on! Let's go!
This is getting nasty. It's getting harder to see anything.
Whoa there. Let's move here, my four-legged friend. No stopping. Let's go. Let's go. Move on. Move on. Yeah. Come on. Move it up. Let's go. Move. Come on. Move. Move. Forward. Come on. Move it. Keep it moving. Go. Come.
They're spooked. We have to stop the stampeding. Oh my God! They're running for the cliff.
Come on. Move. Yeah. Yeah. Move. Let's go. Stay together, you dumb animal. Get going! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Whoa there! Come on! Let's go! Let's go! Get a move on! Let's go! Let's move here, my four-legged friend!
Ah, that was close. Now let's round up those stragglers and get out of here.
No stopping! Let's go! Move on! Move on!
the herd back there. You might make a decent rancher one day.
Thank you, Miss McFarland.
Come on, boys.